Should I take the battery? It's going to be a short hike. I don't need it. What could possibly go wrong? Do I need the ND filter? Let's check the weather. Looks like a cloudy day. I don't need the ND filter. Let's put the camera into the bag. Oh, almost dropped it. Alright. Oh, this is going to be a nice picture. Let me take the camera out. %38%? That's not enough. How did it happen? I thought it was fully charged. Oh, and I just started. That's not gonna be enough. I should have taken the extra battery. And it's so sunny out. I thought it was gonna be cloudy. I should have taken the ND filter. Oh, this is going to be a beautiful shot right here. Let's turn it on. Hey, why is it not turning on? Oh, no, the battery has died. This was the best shot of the day. Oh, I should have taken the extra battery.